The topic of today's video is why can't I swap on Coinbase Wallet? Now the problem with this question is there could be a myriad of different problems. For one, you might be trying to swap unsupported tokens or networks. So if you're trying to swap things like Bitcoin, XRP, Solana, or shady meme coins not recognized in app, swap will gray out or simply fail. Solana DEX trading is currently disabled in Coinbase Wallet due to a security upgrade and may not be available until late in 2025. Another one that is rather unlikely but could be is that you just have an outdated app and you need to go to the Play Store or App Store and just check for an update. As well as certain region restrictions may also be affecting that specific coin, so a quick Google search could help you with that one. Another common one is insufficient gas. So if the token chain is Ethereum, Polygon, or BNB, you must have enough native coin like Ethereum for Ethereum, BNB for Binance Chain, and so forth to pay the gas fees. Otherwise, swap attempts will fail before they even start. Another one to keep in mind is when Coinbase Wallet can't find a suitable liquidity pool and the price changes just too fast, you'll see errors like this transaction will likely fail and the button won't let you proceed. So you'll see with some of these, you don't really have any control of fixing them, and others you might have to opt for sending them to a different wallet, for instance Phantom or Trust Wallet, in order to complete your trades and swaps. You might have to hop over to something like Uniswap or Jupiter for Solana and perform the swap directly there. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found this helpful. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.